pupunta tayo sa Tesco mga palangga. Mag-grocery tayo pang barbecue. Nakalimutan ko tanong kay Mr. Do you want something? Do you want salad stuff? Okay, bye-bye. So, you want some salad stuff. So, pagkatapos natin sa Tesco, dadaan tayo sa Spar Shop para i-drop off to. Ito yung binili ko kay Mr. na shirt. Sinukat niya and it's too big for him. So, i-exchange ko siya to smaller size. 27 degrees na ngayon ha, in fairness. Pero yung color na gusto niyang ipa-exchange, different color, kasi yung binili ko diba, blue. So yung color is may pagka pale green siya, so iba yung kulay. At tinanong ko naman pwede, so that's good. Sayang kasi ang panahon kung hindi magba-barbecue ngayon kasi maganda. And yun na nga sinasabi ko sa inyo na bihira lang magka-ganito, magka-27 degrees dito. Kaya pag ganito yung weather, i-enjoy nyo na. So, ito na yung gazebo natin mga palangka. Meron din tayong chair dito. Yan. Yan yung swing chair natin. Yan. So, gumagawa ako ng salad mga palangga. Sorry talaga, hindi ko na kayo na-update kasi yung si Biyenan, ini-entertain ko.
What's the black pudding?
Ah! Sorry. So, ini-entertain ko si Biyenan and nahihiya naman ako mag-vlog. Yung salad natin, dinamihan ko ng lettuce kasi dahon na naman yung kinakain ko dito. Tikman natin. So, I think everything is ready. Uy, drinks. Nandoon sila, oh. All set na mga palangga. Let me see. Whoa, it looks good. Smells good as well.
I work for McDonald's, can't you?
Yeah. You're working in McDonald's. There. Mama is there. Hi, Mom. And ito siya mga palangga. Ito yung handa natin. Burger. Coleslaw. Baka sabihin ni Biyenan na nabuang na yung daughter-in-law niya. Meron tayong wrap salad. And doon is burger, sausage. Ano pa ba? Black pudding and pork belly.
Sweating over a stove all day.
Are you alright there, Mom? Are you coming in here? Are you sure you don't want the bun?
No, no.
That's a big one. What would you like?
One of them buns would last me 3 days.
Would you like some salad, yeah?
Yes, please. Yeah.
How big do you want it?
That'll do.
What would you like? Would you like burger? One burger, one sausage, one pork belly, one...
Pork belly and a sausage, I'll try.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
There you go. What would you like, sweetheart?
Everything, yeah.
Everything.
Well, I'll put, we've got tomato sauce, haven't we? Oh,
Oh.
we've got coleslaw though, haven't we?
You got coleslaw?
Yeah, okay.
Would you like coleslaw,
I'll
Mom?
do the
No?
burger first.
No, I'm not
No.
bothered.
Would you like a coleslaw in your burger?
No, no.
Yeah.
I'll eat that first. And then
Oh.
we'll do that.
Look, very easy. You're gonna go like that. Go like that. Okay. Oh, right. Yeah. And it's not heavy, feel it. It is heavy or not. Nah?
It has a little baggage roll with a strap on it.
Coming down.
Right, so basically, you just let it go down and just walk the leg in. Then go through the other leg.
Yeah, okay.
And then walk it in. And as it keeps coming down, you have the wrong legs, isn't it?
What?
And then it gets to sofa. If you get here now, get your hand on these bars here. You can. You can. Right. Lift it up. There we go.
That's it. Pudding time. Strawberry and ice cream.
Peaches and cream.
There you go, sir.
Will that be enough?
Yeah.
Oh no.
See how it
Piece
is.
of paper here.
Mama is just watching TV.
Mm.
It's too warm outside for her, so nandoon siya sa front room.
Good breeze here.
Ayaw niya mag strawberry and ice cream. She said she had enough. We fed her too much, honeybee.
Oh, she ate it herself. She had a choice.
I think I will freeze some of this, hun. Plenty. Hindi pa din tayo nakakagawa ng strawberry milkshake. I'm planning to make a strawberry milkshake, and until now I still did not do it.
You just get some and chuck them in your blender and chuck some milk in and whatever else.
And
Oh,
ice
do it.
cream.
I've been doing that. Right.
Off we go. So, binigyan namin ng chair si Biyenan. There you go. You alright?
Okay, well, I'll get toss and beans. I'm in the way.
That's it.
Yeah, mind your hands.
All right now.
Well, I'll do that.
Later.
Tingnan nyo yung temperature sa loob ng bahay mga palangga. 26 degrees. Wow. That's very impressive.
The next day.
Hello! Good afternoon! Good afternoon mga palangga. Ngayon ako nagsimulang mag-vlog. Yung oras dito is 3:45 na ng hapon. And so, ngayon gagawa tayo ng strawberry milkshake mga palangga. So, yung strawberry natin, lalagyan ko siya ng kaunting banana. Ito yung blender natin. Nabihira ko lang siya nagagamit. So, hinihiwa ko lang yung strawberry into half mga palangga. Then, tapos, mag-a-add ako ng half ng banana. Then, yung matitira sa banana natin, ilalagay natin sa freezer para bukas. Sabi pala ni mother-in-law, kung gusto ko daw gumawa ng strawberry jam, dapat daw gagawa ka ng strawberry the day na pinick up mo yung strawberry mo. Yan yung tip niya. Kasi kung iiwan mo siya ng ilang days, like for example, pinik mo yung strawberry mo ngayon and then gagawa ka ng strawberry jam 2 days later, yung ano daw, yung jam mo hindi magsiset. Kailangan mo daw bumili ng, I don't know kung ano yung tawag, pero sabi niya na kailangan mo bumili ng something. Nakalimutan din niya kung ano yung pangalan. Basta sabi niya, bumili ka ng something para mag-set yung jam mo. Merong bisita mo palangga. I think tama na yan. Hihiwain ko lang yung banana natin. Ilalagay natin sa freezer bag and then ito hihiwain din natin. Para ready na siya tomorrow ba. Alam, meron din pala tayong blueberries. Maglalagay din pala ako ng blueberries. Kasi yung blueberries natin na yan, matagal-tagal na siya sa freezer natin. So, kailangan na talaga siyang gamitin. Lalagyan natin siya ng ice. Dalawang ice yung ilalagay natin. Ibabalik ko lang to sa freezer. And then, lalagyan din natin ng kaunting milk and kaunting ice cream. Sobrang unhealthy tong ating shake mga palangga. Yan. Ready na ba kayo? It's blending nicely. Ay, nakalimutan ko. Diba sinabi ko na dapat lalagyan natin ang blueberries? Ay, hindi ko na lang siya lalagyan. Kasi nakalimutan ko. So, lalagay natin yung shake natin dito. Lalagay natin sa wine glass. Para naman mukhang social tingnan ba? Bango mga palangga. Oh, tamang-tama lang talaga siya.
Like a small banana and strawberry milkshake. You're supposed to freeze that now.
Would you like to try? Try a little bit.
I wonder what it tastes like.
Please.
Tastes like banana and strawberry.
Try a little bit.
I can't mess your glass up.
Try a
Do you
little
know
bit.
something, Daddy? If you froze that,
Yeah?
it'd be very refreshing for dessert
Yeah.
today.
You sure?
I don't want to
Just a little bit.
Give me a spoon. Can't mess the glass up.
Just try ni mister.
Because this is the...
You like it?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
So ito na yung finished product ng ating strawberry milkshake mga palangga. Yung straw is from KFC. Ni-recycle ko pa yan. Galing KFC.
You're not supposed to tell that.
Well, saving plastic can.
Why are two glasses?
Kaya try natin.
They're after your workshop, aren't they?
It's good. It's so good mga palangga. So ito mga palangga, gagawa tayo ulit. Yung iba mga strawberry mga palangga, meron na silang bruise ba dahil sobrang hinog na nila and sobrang soft na din nila. 4 o'clock na nga pala dito. So, ayun. Naglagay na din ako ng fries sa oven natin. And then, yung pasties ni Jan, nilagay ko na siya sa microwave. Hindi ko alam kung sino ang tumatawag. Hindi ko siya sinasagot kasi yung tawag na yan, magkukonek siya sa phone ni Jan. I think tama na ito mga palangga. Hindi ko siya lalagyan ng blueberry this time as well kasi si Mr. hindi niya bet yung blueberries. So kung lalagyan ko siya, baka hindi magustuhan. Ilalagay natin dito. Lalagyan natin ng milk. Hindi enough yung ice cream mga palangga. Yan, naubos na. Kukunin ko lang yung isang tao. Tumatawag na naman. Same number. So, ito na. So, yan na siya mga palangga. Alam nyo, ngayon ko lang na-realize na wala pala kaming water jug. So, dahil wala tayong water jug, ilalagay ko na lang siya dito. Ilalagay natin sa freezer. Ilalagay ko siya sa freezer para mas maging malamig siya ba. And then, mag-a-add ako ng strawberry mga palangga. And then, i-mix natin. O, diba? Parang fruit salad. Tatakpan na natin siya ng cling film. So, mamaya, magiging ready na to. Pwede na naman siyang inumin, pero mas refreshing talaga siya pag nilagay mo sa freezer. Na sobrang lamig ba? Na to the point na pag ininom mo, magkaka-brain freeze ka talaga. Hindi ako sure mga palangga kung napakita ko ba to sa inyo kahapon. Pero kung hindi ko siya napakita, ito. Kahapon pala, nagdala si Biyenan ng ginger cake. Yung ginger cake, para siyang chocolate cake. It looks like a chocolate cake kasi, tinan niyo. Diba? Kinain na namin yung iba. Sobrang sarap.
Many hours later.
Hello! Ano na ba yung nangyari sa mukha ko? 9 o'clock na dito ng gabi. So, manonood kami ng TV ni Mr. And at the same time, lilinisin ko yung kuko ni Mr. Nanonood kami ng 90 Days Fiancé. Fan kami ng 90 Days Fiancé. So, kagabi umiiyak si Rose. I think yung episode ng 90 Days Fiancé is yung couple tells all. Ano, yun ba? Tama ba? Hello, Mr. Yung ating strawberry shake mga palangga, tumigas na siya. Yung idea talaga, dapat palamigin lang. Hindi siya completely na matigas talaga mga palangga, oh. Yun. Saan ko to ilalagay? This one will be perfect. Is it sweet enough or a bit?
It's not sweet, but it's alright.
Okay. So, ito mga palangga. Yan. So, 9:28 na dito. So, see you tomorrow.